Right. I'll tell you what, I'll try it my way. If it fails, I'll try it your way, okay? How's that? Right, I'm going to try something slightly different. If it fails, I don't come up. I'll bang on the side, mate. You can come up, then I'll try it your way. Right. I've spent more time underwater today than what I have in it, above it. My tops. Oh no, yeah, hold on. I'm just going to make sure it's deep enough first. Right, hold on. Right, you ready? Get right at the side of me here. Get right at the side of me here, look. Right, you ready?
You need to go over. Like that.
With that position. Oh my god, this seems to come.
At the same time, with this arm out now, your elbow's got to be right out the water.
Yeah.
Put it on your cheek, put that one here. And then at the same time, you're doing that. So basically doing a starfish in the middle of the water.
Alright. Are you ready? You're going to come rescue me, yeah?
Well, I'll rescue you, definitely.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
No, I can't do it. No fucking chance. No, nothing happened. I flicked down, nothing. Just bro didn't even fucking move. Hey, you can't, mate. I'll tell you, honest, you ain't doing it in now because in this, nothing happened. I pulled down and tried to hit flicks. Try again, but seriously, nothing happened. Hold on, come here, ready? Right, let's try again. This is attempt number 2 at a hand roll. When I've got my swimming goggles on. Right, you ready? You ready? I didn't pushed off the bottom of the rocks. It's a bit shallow. It's only a foot. It's only a foot. It's a foot deep. I thought, fucking hell, I'm so good I have my glasses on. This is a bit fucking close to the bottom of the water here.
And you said you got up there. You got up there.
I fucking didn't get up. I fucking pushed off the bottom. No, I couldn't do that. I looked at the bottom of the water and I thought, shit man, I was actually touching the rocks. I know here, because I use this tree as a reference point. This area is about 8 foot deep. Hey? I'll tell you what, as a trainer now, this is fantastic. You can actually literally see where your arms are in the water. You know what I mean? So you've got more chance, you're not disorientated. Right, so that's to go because it's fucking cold now. Seriously. Right, ready? I'm glad you rescued me there because I couldn't kick out. It's too shallow.
Then I thought you jam me little buggy. No, it's official, I cannot unroll. Seriously, I can't get that up for shit. I don't care how easy people make it look. It is not, and I repeat, not that fucking easy. Oh my god, it's fucking well hard. Seriously. Seriously, it's fucking well hard. My roll is spot on, you know what I mean? But as for fucking hand rolling, no chance. Yeah, if you hand roll that, I'll buy you a Big Mac.
Because I can't fucking unroll this. You need swimming goggles. Next time I come down here, I'm going to put a pair of swimming goggles on. Yeah. I mean, steam up after 2 seconds. Hey? Just go to your left a bit because you're in the current there, really bad. Come over this way a touch. Over there a bit in front of you because you're in the current there, really bad. You'll be downstream before you know it. Yeah. Oh no! At least you should be alright like that. I know, it's fucking hard, but I can't do it. Bang on the side of the boat when you're rescuing, okay? I'm right beside you. I know, no, I can't do it. Oh shit, you got it! That's it! It's fucking hard!
What a twat! I went over it wrong way, I'm like, fucking way do I need to go? I need to go over that way. I'm like totally confused with it, wasn't it?
I know.
I need to go over that way. Oh, what an idiot.
Mate, it's fucking hard that is, I don't care what anyone says. I can't do it in this. And this is fucking piss easy. You need to come over this way, a couple of foot. That's it, back there. Not too much because you go into the current otherwise. I know.
Can't see nothing, can you?
No, not with that one, no.
Tell you what, put these on, Slate. Woo!
Hey? What? Well, no, confusing me as well. I tried that hip flip thing, I couldn't do it. Not for shit.
It's confusing because when you're under the water, you don't know which way to turn.
I know, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be right next to you the whole time. God, it's weird not having a helmet on. Oh, so close. Right next to you. I'm here. Nearly got it. Nearly had it.
No, I guarantee I'll get that. I know exactly what I'm doing wrong now.
What are you doing wrong?
Hey?
What are you doing wrong?
Get my arm out the water enough.
Yeah.
How far we're up?
Your head was level with the water almost.
But how far with the boat did I get?
Oh, about. If you imagine about.
Not there.
No. Yeah, that water was about there. Just past your spade at there. So you were up about there, that much. You were almost there, just past that handle. The water level was.
Right, I'm having another go.
Really?
I've got it, you know.
Yeah.
I've got it now.
Go on then.
I'm having another crack at that one.
Go on then.
You know, if I crack this today. You're going to be so good at if I do this.
No, I'll be happy for you. I couldn't do it in this.
Hold up there.
Oh, you're doing it without these, are you?
I'll do it without my helmet.
Yeah, I mean, I've took my helmet off. It's a bit easier, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, no, it's like that. It probably helps if you lean back as well, doesn't it? Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. I think it's because you're not in a playboat. If you did it in this, you'd do it.
Yeah,
But because you're in that big boat, I don't think you stand a chance.
Yeah, the problem is, I can get my elbow out the water. What I can't do is get that to flick it out.
You won't in that, the boat's too big.
Try that one.
You'll be
Like this. When you're under the water,
Yeah.
you lean back. Did you see? No, I'm leaning up into the water.
Yeah.
You feel this one going down.
Yeah.
What you need to do is lean that way, put that hand on there, get your elbow right out the water, and flick it, and do that at the same time and flicking with your knee. I can do it, I just, you know in a pool,